Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I am Swati and today I am going to do a H&M haul. And here is the bag. It's huge. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing first is this white top I'm wearing. I got it for like 4.99 rupees. It's a very chic top. It's have a broad neck. I don't know, I'm not good at fashion and this, but it has this puffed sleeve, this which makes it look more chic. I kind of like this vibe. I do not buy white generally, but I think it's a good piece and I got it for 4.99, so yay. So the next thing I got is this hoops, and it has this little tangle type of thing down here. So it was for 3.99 rupees, but I got it for just 49 rupees. And even you can remove these tangle thing which is going on down there. Second thing I got is this beautiful, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm just in love with this top, and it was for 6.99. I got it for 5.99, like 100 rupees difference. But can you see how shimmery is this? And it has a like a back thing, a cross at back, which is beautiful. It's like a party vibe going on. The third thing I got is this beautiful sweater or sweatshirt, whatever you wanna call it. It's in a grey and it has all pearl details going on there. And it looks so chic and it's so comfortable. It's so soft. I just cannot stress enough on how soft it is. And it was for 1,499. I got it for 4.99. Huge discount. The third thing is also again a sweatshirt. So this is a beautiful peach pink, and again it's a sweatshirt. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? I just love it. And I got it for 3.99 rupees and it was for 800. So I think it's cool. Wearing in hostel, chilling, I think that's my vibe. Also, it's raining. If you can hear the rain, I am so sorry for it, but it started right now. So the next thing I got is this beautiful bralette. My sister says it's a bralette, so I think so. It is like in a maroon, and it has the net thing going on at back. It's, yeah, can you see it? And it's very stretchable and it's very comfortable, I must say. And it's a pair of two, so I got like black and this, and it was for 1,499. I got it for 8.99. So I got this beautiful sunglasses. This is how it looks like. It suits perfectly on my face. This tag is like literally the worst thing ever. I'm gonna remove it. So finally I removed the tag and this is how it looks like. Tell me how it looks like on me. I hope it looks good. This is the only product I got not from sale, and it was on MRP, and it was for 5.99 I think, but I think it's worth it. It looks good. And if you think it looked good on me, please comment down below right now. Stop the video, pause the video, go and comment down and come back again. So I got this white ribbed t-shirt. So I really wanted a plain white t-shirt. So this is like very ribbed. I don't know if you can see or not, but this is how it looks like. And it was for 5.99, and I didn't know it was not on sale, but I got it. And yeah, it's a beautiful, it's a little thicker than the t-shirt material, but I wanted to like have a thicker material, because getting a white t-shirt which is not very sheer is very difficult, and I don't like that sheer. Even this top is very sheer, so I have wore slip under this, and I don't like that feeling, because like when you are in hurry, you don't have time to put a slip and everything and go there. But this is very comfortable, and yeah, it's very soft. The last thing I got is my absolute favorite, and this is I love the most. This is the blazer. It's a beautiful blazer, and it was for 2099, but on sale I think I got it for 1000 something, and it's beautiful. And this is how it looks like, and if you wear it with a shirt it would look more better. And you know, I just love this, the beautiful blazers, and I do have to wear a lot of blazers in my college, so I think it's a pretty good. And getting this for 1000, it's very cheap. Trust me, I have purchased blazers for like 3000, 3500 from Allen Solly, Van Heusen and whatnot, and that broke my heart because people don't wear blazers on daily basis, but in our college it was compulsory, so we used to wear it. Like, we have to wear it for one more year now because I'm going back to hostel. This was it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you guys soon. Bye.